Professor at Pace University School of Law. He's represented promoters and attendees in lawsuits involving concert injuries. Keith, good to see you again. Thank you. More than a dozen lawsuits filed against Travis Scott and the Astroworld organizers. Who has the most legal exposure here, in your opinion?
Good evening, Shep. What a tragedy this is. And the worst part about it, it's absolutely 100% preventable. There's going to be hundreds of lawsuits by the time the dust settles. And all of these parties, the venue, the concert promoter, the performer, the ambulance crews, the outsourced security companies, they're all going to be brought into these lawsuits, and all of them hold liability. But if you had to pick one that's mostly responsible, I'd put the blame on the venue. Legally, they're the ones that are responsible for the in-house security. They do the hiring. They do the arrangements. They're the ones who arrange the walkthroughs. I've represented concert promoters who have been sued in these types of cases. I've litigated cases on behalf of concert attendees who were injured in similar types of situations. This is an absolute preventable scenario that is predictable every time you have mass crowds entering a venue or a concert. So they're all going to be sued. The venue holds the most liability.
Keith, you know, back in 2017, Travis Scott pleaded guilty to disorderly conduct for encouraging fans to rush the stage at a performance in Arkansas. What role will his past play in how these lawsuits play out?
Well, Shep, the greatest predictor of future behavior is past behavior. So he had the criminal misconduct in 2015. In 2017, he encouraged a concert goer to jump from one balcony to a lower balcony, paralyzing a man. In 2019, at this very same venue, there was a mini stampede as well. And at 2 p.m. that afternoon in this concert, we saw security overrun. So he encourages these people to act out. He calls them ragers. He gets them fired up. He encourages them to climb over the security barricades. They should have seen this coming, provided for it, better security, less crowds, or shut it down that day. When the sheriff went in to talk to him because he was concerned, they were on notice that this was going to be a problem and was going to be out of hand. This was a preventable tragedy.
Keith Sullivan, thank you.